So hi guys, so today we would be looking at linked list cycle. We have to detect is there a cycle in the linked list. So how is a cycle defined? You are in a complete loop, you are never getting out of the linked list. You can see that here 3204, I mean minus 4, and from minus 4 again to 2, then 0 minus 4, then again 2. Means you are in a loop, you are in an endless loop out of which you won't be able to come out, and you have to find that is the linked list a cycle, is there a cycle in the linked list, and how we would be able to detect that. You can imagine this whole linked list as a racetrack, and you can imagine two cars, car 1 and car 2, and you can imagine, just imagine like this, these two cars are racing, and the car 2 is faster than car 3, and it is is starting from one step ahead of car 1. Then it's obvious that both the cars won't meet each other if there is no linked list loop. But suppose there is a loop, there is a cycle in the linked list, then they can meet each other, and if they meet, we would return true that yes, there is a linked list. But if car 2 or car 2 reaches the null node, then definitely it's 100% sure that they both don't have means the linked list is not in a loop. So how this is going to be detected? So you can imagine like this. Car 1 is slow one, it would start from 3, that is the initial node. Car 2 is a fast car, it would start from one node ahead of head node. So car 2 would take two steps at once, and car 1 would only take one step at once. So car 2 would move from 2 to 0, then 0 to 4. Okay, two steps done. Now car 1 would move one step only to 2. Okay, from here car 2 would again move that is would again move two steps, that is 4 to 2, and here you can see as it reaches here, they both intersect with each other. Even if at this point you can suppose that okay, it was a point, they won't, I would settle this at 0, but at the next step also they would intersect with each other, and that is the point where we realize okay, they how can they both intersect with each other, because they both have different speeds, and car 1 is much faster than car 2. Then how is car 1 intersecting to car 2? Means it came back to the previous track it was part of, hence they both are intersecting. So I would code this to make things more clear. We would first write the base case, that if head is equals to null, then we would simply return false. Means if the head is null, how can a linked list occur? Because there means there is no linked list, then now we would put list node slow car. You can take this as slow car, and it would be head. Now I would take another car, that is fast car, and it would be head dot next. It would be starting off with the second element node. Okay, so while they both are not equal to each other, while fast car is not equals to slow car, yeah, slow car, till then we have to run this. And if fast reaches null, means if fast reaches null or fast dot next reaches null, then we are sure that okay, this is, there is no link layer, there is no loop, because if there was a loop they would both have would intersect, and the car wouldn't have ever reached the end. Because just see here, if there is a linked list cycle, how can car 2 reach the end? There is no null, because as soon as it reaches 4, it would again go to 2, then 0, then 4, then again to 2. Means there would be an endless cycle. So if it reaches null, then we are sure that there is no linked list cycle. And fast would move twice, very means fast car would move twice as fast as normal car, that is next dot next, means it is going two steps at a time. So yeah, I just wrote fast here, I would write car, and here also car. And slow car would be moving slowly as usual, that is slow car only one step at once, slow car dot next. Okay, we are done with this, and then at last we would return true. And yeah, if this condition is satisfied, then we are sure. uh, okay, I just did fast here, I would just write fast car dot next. Yeah, and I guess it should work. Yeah, it passed the basic base test case, so I would just submit it now. Yeah, so as you can see, it's faster than 100% of Java Online Solutions, and it's taking less than almost 50% of Java Online Solution memory. It took less last time. I don't know why it increased a bit, but yeah, this is how LeetCode works. So you can imagine so this was it for the question. Means I have tried to explain it in the simplest way possible. You can imagine these two as cars, and the whole linked list as a racing track, and you just want to see if they both intersect, hence they are in loop, and there is a cycle in the linked list, and if they don't intersect or either of them means the fast node reaches the null, then definitely there is no linked list. Yeah, but if they intersect, there is a linked list cycle. So this was it for the video. I hope you must have got an idea of how to solve this question. There must be some other another ways to solve this question, but yeah, I found this way to be most simple way because it was even faster than 100%. So yeah, time complexity is really nice here. So this was it for the video. I hope you liked it. So thank you for watching. Thank you and have a nice day.